Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to set up follow, sub and gift alerts on TikTok Live. It's actually very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so first things first, go ahead and open your TikTok Live studio, and then you want to go ahead and add a source like a camera. As you can see, I have a camera added on my TikTok Live. Now what I have to do next is to click on the source again, and I have to add alert source. So once you click on that, here you're going to get a bunch of sources on the TikTok Live studio. We have sources like game capture, camera, window capture, image, text, link, etc. So what we are going to select is this one in the widget section, which is alert. So I'll click on that, and then I'll click on add at the bottom right corner. Now once I do that, I have to now choose the type of alert that I want for this TikTok Live. Now I have to come down here, click on the drop down, and then I have to select all. Now once I do that, it's going to set the alert for follow, sub and gifts on the TikTok Live, right? So that's it. Now after that, what I have to do next is to click on add source. But before I do that, here are some few settings that I can actually customize. Now starting from here, it says alert duration. Here you can choose how many seconds, or how many seconds you want the alert to last. For example, it could last up to 3 seconds maximum, and 1 second lowest. So I will set this to be 3 seconds, and then I have to scroll down, and here I can choose alert sound. So I have to click on this drop down button and see a couple of alert sound there. We have 3 different alert sounds right here. So go ahead and choose the alert sound you want for this, and you can even play it to preview the alert sound. Yeah, something like that. All right, yeah, that's it. Now I have to scroll down. Before I do that, I can even increase the volume of the alert sound from here. Yeah, so look right here, it says here you can activate gift alert. So if you want gift alert, you have to click here to activate, scroll up. If you want follow alert, you have to click here to activate that, and that is it. So what I have to do next is to click on add source. And again, before we click on the add source, look right here, we have 2 tabs. We have general and we have appearance. So if I click on the appearance, here you can customize the theme for these alerts. You can customize the layouts. You can see 2 different layouts right here, and you can customize for the follow alert. You can customize the common message color, the highlight message color, etc. All right, so that's it. So once you're done with all these, just go ahead and click on add source right here, and it's going to be added to your TikTok Live. Pretty simple. So as you can see, it's added right here. So that's it. Hope this guide was helpful, and you now know how to add or set up follow, sub and gift alerts on TikTok Live. If this guide was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.